the reason I say that, your name will be on the record. It will be used for reference that you have sell the painting to somebody who has took the responsibility of the painting, and he or she will be using it for his own or her own business. And another thing to it, it would come in form of benefit, because you will be known for what you have done as an artist, not just a regular artist, but a well-known artist. And that can give you a credit. If your work is bought with that money, I think it can give you a credit of having more people who will buy your work at any present time. But Atim can explain more about it, but you can sell it for the best price you want to sell it in your heart. I know that a lot of paintings can be sold, but one thing about them, you will never know if this person is going to produce more or not, or less. But if you know it before time, you should sell it for whatever price you have in your heart, that is abroad and you don't live there, you live here in Africa. So if your work go to America, make sure you can price it in a price that you may not, continue getting more money. You just get that simple. You cannot make it happen. And you guys can celebrate. Probably drink soda on the side. The pink. That's what I want. The pink. This can teach you how to grow and
we have to go and come back.
You make your own sketch, you write about everything.
We need to come back at 2. Yeah.
So when do you want to
finish everything?
Okay.
But I don't think if I will go with you, because I have to go inside to come back at 2 o'clock.
Right from there?
Yes. From there.
So,
I think then we can start the new yeah, those things you have to read them and save them. Come back at 2. Let's do that arrangement. Okay? Yeah.
Somebody like Mother, I started seeing.
Do they have Sudanese nationality. I would like to thank you all those who contributed. It really helps a great deal to us here. Us who were not having them before, but now we are happy that you have helped us. Thank you. Keep up. My names are Victor Jalubur. I came from South Sudan and I'm an artist, and I really appreciate what you're doing to us, and we shall talk about it later.
I'm called Huero Robert Lokisa. I'm a Sudanese by nationality, and I help also the Child Right Club usually in the youth and culture. I would like to congratulate everybody who has really appreciated our work, and I think more especially St. Michael College. That was a good appreciation, as we can see here. Thank you very much.